What's up, everybody? So today I'm going to do the review on my HOG watch. I love it. It's super nice, super simple. The good thing is you don't have to carry all your keys and everything around with you. Keep it in your pocket, keep it in your saddlebags, things like that. You do still have to bring your key if you want to like lock your ignition and steering or lock your saddlebags, and if you're going in somewhere. But I usually just toss that in one of my, bags or one of the compartments up on my road glide and just have the watch so I don't have anything in my pockets. So I'm going to show you what comes in the box, how to go ahead and put your key fob in it. So yeah, let's bring it down. All right, so in the box, take the cover off the HOG watch. I already have my watch out because I've been wearing it, but it's in here, nice packaging, whatnot. You got some of your paperwork. Welcome to the HOG watch family. It's a quick setup of if you need chip 1, 2, or 3. So it's short and sweet and in there. Here's your different adapters that hold your key fob. It comes with 3 different ones in there. It all depends on your year, make, and model. They're interchangeable, which is nice. You get all 3 of them. That way, if you buy a new bike in a couple years, whatever the case is, they have them. So you don't have to buy a new watch or anything like that. Little screwdriver, take the back of the watch off. So let me dive into it, show you how to take the key fob apart and go ahead and put it in your watch. All right, so you're going to take your watch or your key fob. Basically, right up at the top here, there's a little spot for you to, pry it open. Flat blade screwdriver, butter knife, whatever you got. So you're going to pop it open. It's going to look like this. You're going to pop your battery out, and then go ahead and pry up on this door around the side, or just take your finger and pull up on the inside of it. So that top cover comes off, and then your key fob is in the inside of these 2 with a little rubber seal. So you're going to go ahead, pull out the board, and I just closed this up just in case I ever need this for some reason, and kept that in my box. So now what you're going to do is you're going to take your screwdriver that is provided. There are 6 very small Phillips screws. So you're going to undo all of them. You're going to take the back of the case off. So on the inside of it, there's a very small rubber seal here, as well as a rubber seal here. So you got your board. Now you just have to look at the manual and see which one you got. I myself have board 1. I have a 2019 Road Glide. That's what it calls for. So I'll take the chip out. Now behind here, you just slide this open, and you have a small little watch battery to replace, obviously, when it dies. So that's kind of nice and easy. So that locks like that. All right, so that's that. Now you're gonna take your board. It fits like this. There we go. Actually, I'll do it this way. So, there we go. Just like that. All right, so you're gonna want positive down. See, this is my board 1. You're gonna want positive down like that, Then you're gonna come over here. This is gonna be down this way. So you're gonna fit that on these little cog pieces. So that's gonna sit down like that. Then you're gonna line up your watch like so. You're gonna hold it tight, and you are gonna go ahead and take these very little screws and screw it down. There's 6 in total. I recommend doing this in a spot where you are not going to lose them. Maybe have like a little magnetic parts tray, something like that, or a clean table. Tighten them down, don't go crazy on them. I'm just gonna do 2 for the purpose of the video, and then you're done. To set the time, you just pull out the dial, set the time, click it. It's got some good glow in the dark, you know, bezel and numbers and whatnot, so that's nice. But yeah, very simple, very easy to use. It definitely solves a lot of problems. So I will take this out to the bike and I will show you guys that it actually does work. All right, so I'm here standing at the bike. I have my watch on. Basically, all you do is go ahead, turn the key, comes right on. And that's it, guys. Super simple. All right, guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free, to reach out, comment, like, share, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. It's KOFFS_customs, KUSTOMZ. Thanks, guys. Be cool. Stay safe.